Hey guys, Craftsman Exterior Remodeling out here on a roof project in Zionsville. Just wanted to pop on here and show a quick update on this one and show quickly a few different parts of the roofing system. As you can see, we always install ice and water along the eave lines. Ice and water is this granulated product that you see here coming around on this gutter line. It's also in the valleys. Not code on the gutter line for Indiana. It should be. Make sure you're asking about ice and water. It really helps to complete the roofing system. Will help prevent some ice damming issues, wind-driven rain. Very integral part of the roofing system. So wanted to point that out. You can see we're putting on the shingles now. We're using Owens Corning Duration shingle, very high quality shingle. This homeowner has 50-year warranty on this one. Do a quick walk around. You can also see the catch-all system, the netting system that actually helps with the cleanup process and also help protect the homeowner's property. You can see here, same thing in the back. We have the ice and water along the eave lines. We also put ice and water around all the penetrations, ice and water around the chimneys. All that, a big important part of the actual roofing system. So here we're also cutting in a ridge up top, upgrading the exhaust ventilation and also the intake ventilation. Stay tuned. This house is also getting a new siding system and painting the brick as well. So thanks for tuning in. Craftsman Exterior Remodeling.